actually, any tips on how to be able to better train and use AI to align so it's not just like, right?
Yes, and I'll zoom out before I zoom in. You know, I think that the understanding that a lot of folks need to kind of unlearn and reach themselves is don't generate content with AI. Use AI to enhance your own thoughts. Look at it as almost, let's like rebrand it into a content reformatter instead of saying like generating, you know, content, a content reformatter, because that's really what you want it to do. And so how I achieve this, well, I think is I use templates. So I have templates for how I write my blogs, how I write my articles, how I write my PR pitches. And then I have research that I do by hand, and then I'll feed it to my computer, or voice memos, just transcripts of some kind, I guess is what I'm trying to say, where I'll have my voice memo just like listening to my monologue of what I'm thinking about and a talk track I have or something, and taking all those compilings, right, taking the research, the voice memos, the templates, the transcripts, and then reformatting them into what I specifically want, right, because it's the output is in the templatized version of what I want, what my audience likes to see. And it's me talking in my opinions and thoughts. But I think that we're all naive and we think our first ideas are always our best ideas. And I know for me, especially, I need to talk it out and go through 4 or 5 ideas and conceptualizations before I hit a golden nugget. So that's my process. That's what I've found works for me as far as a workflow perspective.